Learn how to clean up your image layers in Photoshop using the latest layer cleanup feature. This tool lets you automatically delete empty layers and rename layers based on their content, keeping your workspace tidy with just a few clicks. To get started, open your image by selecting File, then Open. Once your project is open, head to the Layers panel and select the Layer Cleanup icon. This opens the Layer Cleanup dialog box where you'll see two options: Delete Empty Layers and Rename Layers. If you choose Delete Empty Layers, Photoshop will automatically remove all blank pixel and text layers from your document. If nothing gets removed, that simply means your document doesn't have any empty layers to begin with. If you choose Rename Layers, Photoshop will assign descriptive names to your layers based on their content, so you're not left guessing what's on each one. After selecting your option, you'll choose the scope of the cleanup. Select Entire Document to clean all layers at once, or select Selected Layers if you only want to clean up specific ones. When you're ready, select Apply, and Photoshop takes care of the rest. That's all there is to it. Happy editing.